Good morning, everybody. I have to talk quietly because the roommates are still asleep. Cheers. We're gonna go for a walk and then we're gonna start work. But first, I wanted to show you our reads list that we've been reading in the morning time. This book, it's correct, like reading, right? They'll like see it normal, or is the title opposite? Do you know what I'm talking about?
I can't tell by looking at it whether
I can't tell either. I think it's correct.
It
We'll look back.
It looks opposite.
We just double checked. And this one.
Same writer for both books.
Same writer. Awesome. And this one.
Different writer for that one.
Marcus Aurelius. And this one. Just kidding, we haven't started this one.
And some comic books too, why not?
This is our reading area. Look at our new table. Isn't that nice? Free.
Okay, now you're oversharing.
Okay. Is that all the coffee we got?
No, there's always more coffee when you're in town.
I feel like we forget sometimes how pretty, like, the colors are.
Yeah. It's nice when in the wintertime everything is subdued.
All the snow on the houses.
Follow me. You were supposed to catch it.
All right, get ready. The views are gonna be amazing.
You really are getting it.
Just for like a challenge or just for fun? Or just like...
Oh. I mean, travel this far.
True. So then we would just like walk to the gym, walk to the store.
Yep.
We walk everywhere.
Walk everywhere.
Just for a week.
No cars except. Yep. Just for a week, except fields. And then we can try for longer next time if we want to.
That would take a lot of discipline.
It would.
We'd have to get up earlier, I feel like, to have time. Or maybe we just do it on the weekend.
It wouldn't be so bad. I mean, we work from home, so there you go. We don't have to walk to work every day, which is what most people would have to do if they did towns like that. You know?
True.
We just have to walk to go get our groceries.
Ooh.
You want to do a slow-mo of the snowball breaking on the ground?
Yes. And this is us reviewing that footage.
That was awesome.
June 11th, 2024. The Shelley fire has closed 55.6 miles of the trail, and we must decide how to reroute. Text from somewhere. Here is a screenshot of a possible alternative combining mostly Forest Service roads and back roads. The biggest concern would be water, since we wouldn't have any far out comments. The reroute is about 110 miles with easy access to Wairika about halfway through. The detour starts at Park Creek's trailhead, mile marker 1,540.8, and ends at Reeves Ranch Spring at mile marker 1,681.3. Collected from the PCT. I don't even really know what to do with them, because I don't often keep anything. Definitely not the shirt I've been wearing for hundreds of miles. Sticker, Monica's house, Kennedy Meadows. Sheriff that picked us up in Bernie. He gave for Bougie and Roadrunner. Lucky $2 bill, got from Axeman. PCT permit that I carried with me all the way.